Welcome to Anvils for Sale. Here we have a 424-pound North German double-horn blacksmith anvil. This is an older double horn, probably turn of the century, 1900 or thereabouts. Notice the thick waist. Sometimes older is better. The surface is extremely hard and amazingly smooth considering how old this anvil is. The edges are rounded in chips. Look for a little circle, the maker's mark, above the 193 kilogram stamp on the back side of this anvil. Hardness and rebound are super on this anvil. Ring is a little muted, perhaps by the fact that the anvil has such robust geometry. This is a terrific workhorse.